Moonstake Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Moonstake are in the description. Moonstake is a comprehensive crypto staking platform designed to support both individual and institutional investors looking to maximize their staking rewards. With a focus on high security, ease of use, and broad blockchain support, it allows users to stake Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos, Tezos, and more SaaS, while maintaining full control over their assets. One of Moonstake's key features is its non-custodial staking model, meaning users always retain ownership of their private keys and funds. This makes it a secure option for those who want to stake without the risks of centralized custody. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced stakers. Moonstake supports both web and mobile staking through its Moonstake wallet, enabling users to manage their staked assets anytime, anywhere. The wallet provides real-time time tracking of rewards, validator performance insights, and multi-asset management, ensuring complete transparency over staking activities. For institutional clients, Moonstake offers custom staking solutions, API integrations, and white-label services, allowing businesses to integrate staking directly into their platforms. The enterprise-grade security infrastructure ensures high uptime, slashing protection, and efficient validator operations, making it a reliable choice for large-scale staking needs. A standout feature of Moonstake is its partnership with strategic blockchain projects, including collaborations with Emergo, Ontology, and Tezos, which enhance staking efficiency and network security. Additionally, the platform provides detailed staking guides and educational resources, making it easy for users to navigate the staking process. Moonstake's fee structure is transparent, with competitive commission rates, ensuring users maximize their staking rewards. Customer support is available to assist users with any issues, reinforcing its commitment to providing a smooth staking experience. With its secure infrastructure, wide blockchain support, and user-friendly design, Moonstake is an excellent choice for anyone looking to earn passive income through crypto staking. If you're interested in staking your crypto securely and efficiently, check out the links in the description and start earning rewards today.